Family, I want to talk to you about the internet because I don't think people really grasp the concept of what the internet truly is. So, man, protect me for what I got to say today. Protect me. The internet is a galactic highway. It's a universe by itself. It's a galactic highway of many galactic beings, meaning it is being utilized or used by many different species. I know you think it's just you, but when you think about the internet, when you break the word internet down, it is really two words put together. It is internal and network. So the internet is actually internal. You know what I'm saying? Let me say that again. You are a universe. You know what I'm saying? You have a whole universe within. The internet is internal. It is an internal network of binary codes. You know what I'm saying? Bunch of ones and zeros. You know what I'm saying? Now, these are programs. So, on a deeper level, if you realize they're trying to ban certain apps, for example, like TikTok and all that, and certain speakers that come out and drop these gems. The thing is, if you look at TikTok, you'd realize us as spiritual speakers, we have kind of hijacked TikTok. We took over this shit. See what I'm saying? So these elites are trying to ban this app because you have galactic beings that's actually sending information through the internet. A lot of times you're watching videos; those videos weren't created here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times you're seeing videos that weren't created by human beings. I don't think y'all fathoming what I'm saying. You're getting real galactic information right now on this planet. It's just being poured out. You know what I'm saying? And that's why they're trying to ban these apps. The internet is being used by many different species. You know what I'm saying? The earth is far bigger than what they're than what they've told you. You know what I'm saying? The earth is massive, very massive. We just been boarded off in a little section. See what I'm saying? This whole shit is still here. It's all still connected together. The earth is all connected. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, all that. It's all still connected. There's no separation. See what I'm saying? These are all lies. Get up off that dumbass Google map and go study the real maps. Look at the moon maps. See what I'm saying? Look at the moon maps. Find them. You know what I'm saying? And you will see Atlantis is still here. Pangea is still here. Lemuria, still here. You're being sectioned off. All the people in the world, if you would take all of the people in the world, you can fit them in the state of Texas. Yet they're telling you we're overpopulated. Lies. See what I'm saying? So the internet is internal, an internal network from within. So because it's a whole universe by itself and we are universes, we are having universal information being passed on to us from many different beings. That's why they're trying to ban these apps. That's why the frequency is rising up so much. We're the ones that's doing this. That's why the sun is getting hotter. We're the ones that's doing this. The more we ride the vibration, the more the planet has to respond. We don't need everybody to do it. No, we don't. We just need about 8% of the population to tune in. See what I'm saying? We just need about 8% of this population to tune in to see what's going on. Why you got my nose looking crazy? Okay, all right. You know what I'm saying? We just need about 8% of this population to tune in. You ever heard about the 100th monkey syndrome? When scientists say, in the wild, right? If you have a bunch of monkeys, it only takes one of them to actually crack the code. When that 100th monkey cracked the code, let's say there's a bunch of monkeys in the wild, and none of them don't know how to crack nuts. All of a sudden, when one figure out how to crack this nut, the rest of them don't got to learn. It automatically synchronizes within their consciousness. It must. Now, all of a sudden, the species is now cracking nuts. How is this possible? The same thing is going on with us. See what I'm saying? We don't need everybody to tune in. We need enough of us to tune up the frequency and crack into these codes and actually speak it into existence. The more we do that, the more it manifests and everything begins to change. Watch as the planet begins to heat up. You know what I'm saying? The planet is going to heat up. You're going to see these animals, the ocean. Yeah, see, as soon as I got into that part, the app started doing its thing, but it's cool. We gonna keep going in. So as a sun keeps on releasing these hot photon energy, you know what I'm saying, the more the photons increase in temperature, what you're gonna start to see is the oceanic animals, because the water's heating up. You're gonna see these sharks coming in. You're gonna see these whales coming in. you know what I'm saying, trying to cool themselves off. When you see nature freaking out and moving in a direction, you want to run with nature. You know what I'm saying? Don't run with the humans, run with nature. Pay attention to nature. See what I'm saying? You're going to see wildfires. Recently, there was a wildfire going off in Australia. You know what I'm saying? This wildfire was burning in blue flames. You know what I'm saying? Blue flames. Then all of a sudden, the flame that was blue upgraded this level, and it went to purple flames. See what I'm saying? But they're not going to tell you these things. You see what I'm saying? Because what's happening is, before I even get to that, blue flame is coming from sulfur. When you see purple flame, that's coming from potassium. You know what I'm saying? Which means that these gases are increasing in frequency. You know what I'm saying? You never see blue flames and purple flames on fire. When it hits purple, that means you're going above 3,000 degrees and higher. What fire burning at 3,000 degrees? You see? So what's really going on is you have the sun that's now increasing in frequency, and it's so hot. It's so hot that everything else that is artificial, it got to go down. It got to burn out. You will see, because you're talking about AI. You're talking about artificial intelligence versus absolute intelligence. You see? We are absolute intelligence, not artificial. Humans run off artificial programs. We are organic beings, so we are absolute intelligence. We are original. We are authentic. We are real. You get what I'm saying? Not aboriginal, but original. That prefix ab means to hate, coming from the word abhor, means to hate. I don't hate my people. So aboriginal means to hate the original people. You got to break down the word spells. So you are original. You are real. See what I'm saying? We are the ones that's doing this. As we increase in frequency and we raise the vibration by speaking this into existence, that sun and nature must respond. So absolute intelligence, the source of all electricity, is breaking down the fake versions of electricity that is being used on the planet. You're going to see their buildings going up in flames. See what I'm saying? Burning their electricity out. The internet grid is going to crash. It has to go down. These are artificial. So as the planet returns herself back to her true state, everything must go within. It's going to break down. Carbon itself is going to break down. Down to carbon 7. I'll do a whole video on carbon 7 and explain that to you in another live. You know what I'm saying? But understand, once that sun keeps going up the way it is, the photons keep increasing the way it is, yeah, it goes right back to it. So, like I was saying, this internet is internal, an internal galactic network. You know what I'm saying? And we have families all around us. You know what I'm saying? Lemuria is still here. Atlantis is still here. It's all still connected. These beings are utilizing the internet just like us. See what I'm saying? Right now, this is all electrical. The internet is electrical. You know what I'm saying? Cut off your electricity and tell me if it works. Electrical. You know what I'm saying? So the highest version of electricity will begin to crash this fake-ass version that you see, this man-made shit. Absolute intelligence. That's what we are. Authentic, real, organic. Peace.